Achievement Award is awarded to Senora Maura Tumulto Olivares, Viuda de Torija, for being an outstanding woman of substance who conducts herself with patience and always looking forward to great things ahead beyond the present frustrating moments. Who live life fully, well with honesty and integrity, peacefulness, love, patience and steadfastness, knowledgeable on values her family highly, for being a for building a firm relationship with her husband and build her family through hard and good times, for not quitting when things get rough. Her children respect her for her kindness and firmness, for being the epitome of what a good woman is all about. Indeed, she has become an iconic symbol and great source of pride and inspiration in the family, in particular, and the community in general. Given this 19th day of May, AD 2013 in Abilay Sur, Oton, Iloilo, Philippines, signed, Jesus Namin O. de la Cruz, Manuel Capitan O. Salinas, Maria Felma Best in Hairdo O. Inosanto MD, Teresita daw pinakamwapa, T. Marcoleo, Teodoro Pinakamangaranon, J. Olivares, and Rufo Pinakagwapo, O. Torino. A round of applause.
Yatagliwat. Congrats.